Dear student, this is Professor Shailesh Devdas Janmandhu in BCom Computer Application, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. And today's topic is network. Network. It also called as a computer network. Network means computers or number of computers connected together and form a computer network. It is used to share the resources, information and other things which are connected to the computer system. A computer connected to a network is called as a node. Every peripheral which is connected with the computer system is called as a node. A computer is said to be online when it is connected to a network and it have the access to the network. However, when the computer cannot able to access the network, it is called as a offline. Means everything which is connected with a computer system is called as a network. Depending on this, we have different type of computer network. The first network is called as a personal area network. When the computer systems are connected or used to communicate among the computer devices close to one person, that is when it is a user, it is connected with the computer system, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner. These peripherals connected with each other, it is form a network, and this type of network is called as a personal area network because a user can connect with each and every component which are attached with a computer system. Means it can handle the scanner as well as printer, as well as he can use the keyboard, mouse with a network, and that type of network is called as a personal area network. Typically, the pan is about 20 to 30 feet. It is expected to increase with the technological improvement. Number second is LAN, that is called local area network. When a microcomputers or terminals located in a same general area and connected by a cable, that the particular geographical arrangement of computer system is called as a local area network. They commonly use a cable to connect each other or exchange the information. LAN is typically used within the same building or set of building or a set of buildings situated close together. In simply, when a computer system or different computer systems are connected with a wire or cables with each other to transfer the information from one computer system to another within a building or buildings situated close together, that type of network is called as a local area network. The features of local area network are: it transfer data at high speed because each and every computer are connected with each other with the cable. It exist in limited geographical area. We can say a building or a closed building or a particular area. Third one, it contains software to control the operations of node connected in the network. Means to control the LAN, we need a special software to control the operation of other. Third one is a MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. MAN is network spanning a large geographical area than the LAN. Means consider a city. Each and everything which is connected with one another in a city is called as a MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Just like country area connected various buildings or other facility, private or public within the city or wide area. It is version of LAN, bigger version of LAN, because LAN is situated in a building and MAN is situated in a city. This can support both data and voice and might even be related to local cable TV network. Just like our local cable TV network, each and every TV set are connected with the cables, but not in a geographical area, but whole city can be covered by that cable. Okay, It has some characteristics. It contains different hardware and transmission media to cover the distance, because we need a amplifier to boost the signals from one place to another. Third one is WAN, wide area network. Wide area network is a computer network that covers large geographical area, often country or a continent. Just like we access the net whose server is situated in cyberspace or another country, it connect with that particular server or a continent. Can span city, state, even national boundaries. It interconnected LAN, MAN and other transmission facilities. It has some characteristics. Cover very large geographical area. City, country as well as continent is also connected with the WAN. WAN generally interconnect multiple LANs. Small geographical area is called as a LAN and big is called as a MAN, but the whole country covered by a network is called a WAN. To connect the computer systems into each other, it is called as a topology, or the arrangement of devices in a network or connected node is called as a network topology. And this arrangement of computer system is become a remote as well as facilities to communicate the computer network. Okay, the first topology is bus topology. The bus topology, in bus topology, each and every computer are connected with the single cable via interfacing. Every computer can directly communicate with each other, as like seeing the image. A single line is available and each and every node or each and every component or peripheral are attached, or workstations are attached with this single line. Just like in our home, the electricity wire, the main electricity wire is one, but the sections or the points are covered all over the home. Likewise, we connect the computer system or workstation in a single line. That arrangement or that geometrical arrangement is called as a bus topology. The bus topology has some advantages as well as disadvantages also. These are the advantages and disadvantages of the bus topology. Second one is a ring topology. In ring topology, several computers are connected to each other as closed loop, just like a circle or placed in a circle. The ring topology, the data travels around the ring in each station until it arrives the required station or arrives at the required stations. Each device acts as a receiver and transmitter and pass the signal to next devices on the ring. Messages travel from workstation around the robin fashion. Just like in the image, we see a server and each and every component are in the round shape and connected with one computer to another by a single line or a single connections in a form of a ring. The ring topology has some advantages, just like short cable length are connected in the circular ring. Relatively easy to install, because when we want to install a new computer system, we can attach that computer system into the ring. It has some disadvantage. If any computer fail, it break the entire network. If the middle point or any point of the computer system is break, the power supply or the supply of the system will be terminated, and therefore whole computer systems or whole network will be failed. Star topology. In star topology, several computers are connected to one centralized computer as shown below, just like a connector hub. each and every computer systems are connected with the hub, and central computer is called as a hub, and each linked by the separate point of circuit. Through the hub, the central computer or server receives signal from other network devices to get the particular service. Means individual computer system cannot have a brain or authority to access some commands. It has to get a permission from the hub or the server. It has the advantages, just like if any node other than the host node fail, remaining node are unaffected. Just like in previous or ring topology, if any node are fail, whole network will be failed. But star topology has the facility, if the other nodes are failed, the remaining networks cannot be affected, but there is a centralized control all over the node or the server only have the centralized control to execute or transfer the commands. It has some disadvantages, just like long cable length, difficult to expand, and central computer fail, overall network will fail. Means if the central computer or hub or server is failed, the whole network will be damaged or fail. Tree topology. A tree topology share the network is like a inverted tree. In tree topology, a central root node is connected to one or more than nodes that are one level lower the hierarchy, and with a point-to-point link between each of the second level node, and the top level central root node will each second level node are that connected to the top level root. As shown in the image or diagram, the main root of the computer is 1. It has 2 subroot. It has again the subroot sections, and this hierarchy is called as a tree topology. Okay, these are the advantages of tree topology and disadvantages of tree topology. Mesh topology, completely connected network. In mesh topology, every computer is connected to every other computer. This is rarely used as it is costly to connect every device using cable. Mesh topology is high robust, but installation reconfiguration is difficult. The mesh topology has two types: full connected and partially connected. In full connected topology, each of the node of the network is connected to each other node in the network with a point-to-point link. This makes it possible for data to be simultaneously transmitted from any single node to all the other nodes. Partially connected, in this type of topology, nodes of the network are connected to more than one other node in the network with a point-to-point link. The diagram for the mesh topology is like that, means each and every computer system are connected with each and every computer. The path for transfer, if one path is damaged, the computer system can use the another path for transmitting the node. Just like the advantages are direct connection is available between any two stations, means if one route is failed, another route can be used by the computer system. If any node, the network may not suffer anything. If any node fails, the another or other node will get the answer faster than other topology. Some disadvantages: cabling cost is higher because more cables are used. Installation and reconfiguration is difficult. Limitation of number of connection made to one computer, because every computer have limited ports to connect with the another one. Hybrid topology. It is topology composed of more than one basic topology. Different network topology have their own advantages and limitations. Hence, in relatively a pure star or ring or completely connected network is rarely used. Instead of these, an organized normally uses a hybrid network, that combination of two or more different topology, just like star, bus, mesh, are connected each other, or use a new used to create a new topology, and that topology is called as a hybrid topology. The network protocols, the rules which are followed by a computer network That rules are data sequencing, data routing, data formatting, flow control, error control, precedence and other transmissions, connections establishment and terminations, data security, log information. These are the rules for of network protocols. So in this session we discuss about the network and the topologies to support the network. Thank you.